Is your C drive slowly filling up? Even though you've already emptied the recycle bin, you delete old files, run disk cleanup, and somehow Windows keeps losing storage space. Here's why. Windows creates thousands of temporary files every day. Some are deleted automatically, but many aren't. These forgotten files can sit on your SSD for months, sometimes even years. Today, I'll show you 5 hidden locations where temporary files often accumulate, explain which ones are safe to remove, and show you how to clean them using only built-in Windows tools. No third-party cleaners. No registry edits. Let's get started. Why Windows doesn't delete every temporary file. Temporary files exist for a reason. When Windows installs updates, runs applications, browses the web, or edits documents, it creates temporary data to speed things up. Normally, these files disappear once they're no longer needed. But sometimes, an application crashes, an update fails, or Windows simply leaves older temporary files behind. Over time, thousands of small files can build up. Individually, they don't use much space. Together, they can consume several gigabytes. Let's clean them safely. Tip 1. Clean the Windows Temp folder. The first location is one most people never visit. Press Windows plus R, type temp, then press Enter. This opens your personal temporary folder. Press Ctrl plus A to select everything. Press Delete. Some files may say they're currently in use. That's completely normal. Simply click Skip for those files. Windows only blocks files that are actively being used. Everything else can be safely deleted. You may be surprised by how much space you recover. Quick tip: don't worry if Windows refuses to delete some files. That simply means they're currently needed. Tip 2. Clean the System Temp folder. Now let's clean another location. Press Windows plus R, type %temp, press Enter. This opens another temporary folder used by Windows and many applications. Again, press Ctrl plus A, then Delete. If Windows asks for administrator permission, click Continue. Skip any files currently in use. These folders are designed to store temporary data. Cleaning them occasionally is perfectly safe. Tip 3. Use Storage Sense the right way. Many users ignore one of Windows' best cleanup tools. Open Settings, go to System, select Storage, turn on Storage Sense. Now click Storage Sense to customize it. Choose how often Windows should remove temporary files. Empty the recycle bin automatically if you want. Remove temporary system files. You can even schedule automatic cleanup every week or every month. This keeps your storage clean without remembering to do it yourself. Quick reminder: avoid enabling automatic deletion of the Downloads folder unless you're certain you don't keep important files there. Tip 4. Delete Windows Update cleanup files. Windows updates often leave behind installation files. These help uninstall updates if something goes wrong, but after a while, they're usually no longer needed. Search for Disk Cleanup, open it. Select your Windows drive. Click Clean up System Files. Wait while Windows scans your PC. Now look for Windows Update Cleanup. You'll also see items like temporary Windows installation files, delivery optimization files, DirectX shader cache. Select the ones you want to remove, then click OK. Depending on your PC, you may recover several gigabytes. Tip 5. Find hidden large temporary files. Here's one built-in feature many people overlook. Open Settings, go to System, then Storage, click Temporary Files. Windows scans your computer. You'll see categories like temporary internet files, downloaded program files, recycle bin, Windows error reports, thumbnails, delivery optimization files. Check the categories you want to remove. Leave downloads unchecked unless you're absolutely sure. Then click Remove Files. This is one of the safest ways to free storage because Windows clearly explains what each category contains. Final thoughts: temporary files are a normal part of Windows. They're meant to help your computer work faster, but not every temporary file gets cleaned up automatically. Checking your temp folders, using Storage Sense, running disk cleanup, and reviewing temporary files every few weeks can recover valuable storage while reducing unnecessary clutter. These aren't magic performance tweaks, but they help Windows stay organized, especially on low-end PCs with smaller SSDs. If you found this guide helpful, give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Simplifix Tech for more practical Windows optimization tips designed specifically for low-end PCs. And let me know in the comments, how much storage did you recover after cleaning your temporary files? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.